Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mike Masters. It's that time again, tax season. Some of you may need to pay off debts from holiday spending, and that's a smart move because you don't want to waste money on high interest rates. But if you don't carry bad debt or any other significant debt and aren't sure what to do with your tax refund, here's an idea. Why not start building a portfolio of investment properties here in Punta Cana? Now, I'm not saying your tax refund will buy you a property outright, but yes, you can use it to make a reserve payment and secure a unit. And this is where you begin. Here's how it works. You learn about a condo or villa project that's in development. Based on information I have on many developers, I will either recommend them or discard them. Many great developers are from here, the Dominican Republic, and Europe. Next, you'll need to make a reserve payment, usually between $1,000 to $3,000, which is the average in many developments, to take a specific unit out of inventory. This is where your tax refund may be able to help you with this. This first step is where your excitement starts. Then you'll fill out some forms with your personal and financial details. This also applies to your spouse or anyone else whose name will be in the agreement with you. Once completed, the developer's legal department would draft an agreement to purchase and send it to you for your review. At this stage, I highly recommend hiring a real estate attorney to conduct due diligence, doing a history check on the company, ensuring their paperwork is in order and up to date. I'll recommend one to you that many of my clients have used successfully. Once this step has been completed, you will pay your down payment and start your interest-free payments up until your unit is delivered. In a nutshell, that's how it works. But this begs the question, where should I put my money? There are many options, too much to mention all of them. I recommend you subscribe to this channel and learn about the many options available to you. There is always something new, and I publish new videos every Sunday so you stay up to date with different developments in which to invest. I'm sure you'll find something that will pique your interest in one of my videos. Then the next step is to reach out to me so we can go over the options based on your budget. I am bound by my 3-pillar policy: pressure-free, hassle-free, and transparency, so you can enjoy the process from beginning to end without fluff or word games. Whether you're investing in a retirement home, a short-term rental property, or a second home, a getaway during certain times of the year, you let me know what your budget is and I'll get to work for you. Taking this step could be the start of an incredible investment journey. Ready to make your tax refund work for you this year? Let's begin. Call or text me to 809-223-8416 or send me an email to info@propertiesbymasters.com with information on what you're looking for so I can send you options. Please remember including your budget. This helps narrow my search. Make 2025 your year to invest in Punta Cana. I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks for watching. If you found today's video informative, consider subscribing to the channel. It's free for you and helps us continue to grow. Also, if you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps others discover it. And don't keep these opportunities to yourself. Share this video with friends, family, or anyone who might benefit from these insights. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage, propertiesbymasters.com. See you in the next video.